What's up, everybody? Yo! Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're new here, karibu sana. So guys, I have not been feeling well. I've been sick. Okay, not so sick, but I've been having flu, and I think you guys are able to hear how I'm speaking. Yeah, I still have flu, but I will be fine. I'm not so sick. But how have you been, and how have this English, how have you been, and how has everything been going? Are you guys doing okay? Is everything going as you have planned? Yeah, I always ask about that because we have a lot of plans, and we are still in the beginning of the year, so we expect a lot of changes, transformation, a lot of achievements. Yeah, if you are new here, karibu. Thank you so much for taking time to watch this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yes, and hit the notification bell such that every time I release a video, you will be among the first people to watch it. Yes, and you can as well leave a comment and tell me where you are watching from, and tell me about my videos, what you want me to add in, or what you feel is interesting for you. Yeah, this is your channel and not my channel. Yeah, so guys, today it's can I say a story time, or not a story time? I'm actually talking about okra. They call it yeah, so this okra, let me tell you guys, I made a research on okra just of recent, and okay, I knew about okra, but because this thing is kind of slippery when you're taking it. It's disgusting. Like, it's not something you can take around people, because I don't know why I think mine is diluted, that is why. But other than that, you would have been able to see that. Now, we all know that okay, most people know okra on the women's side. They normally say it increases it increases water, it makes you feel juicy, and a lot. Yeah, but besides that, we know that okra does a lot of things. It treats diabetes, it helps on weight loss. We know that it cures a sore throat, something like that, and cough. It reduces on asthma attacks. It treats ulcers. What else does okra do? When you search about okra, it has a lot of things, a lot of benefits that it helps on the body. It improves on your immunity system. Yes, and it also helps or release on constipation. And what else does it do? I talked about ulcers, right? Yes, I talked about ulcers. It treats ulcers as well. Now, people know that okra is basically for women, but this okra is not actually only for women. It is helpful to everyone, it being a child, it being a woman, it being a man. Like, if your man has ulcers, this would be good for him. Yeah, you just boil it for I think 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and then you give it to him. Yes, that could be I think in the morning and then in the evening. If your man has a constipation well, if your man has constipation, or if your child has constipation, it really helps on that. But people have taken okra to be meant for women and women only. They say that women who take okra every morning experience some form of lubrication. Lubrication, guys, English. They experience some form of lubrication and increase wetness. Yeah. So I think that is why people take okra to be for women. And then the other thing is that it naturally increases your water levels. You know what I mean? Water levels, and it also makes you feel. It makes you juicy. Yeah. But there is another thing that people don't know about okra that I have realized. Besides all that I've mentioned, there are a lot of things. Like if you search about the benefits of okra, you're going to find, for pregnant women, there are so many. But there is another thing that I know. It also helps on the infections. Like, how can I say it? How can I explain it? Like, you know, these candida stuff, those kind of UTI infections. Yeah, it helps on that. It really helps on the, I don't know how I can explain, but it does help on the infections, that is a UTI. So if you know, women, okay, let me talk about women. We normally find ourselves in the public toilets, and you know, for the public toilet, for a woman, it is really easy for you to get UTI. Yes, to get those form of infections. It is really easy because you know you normally sit on the toilets. For men, it's okay, they normally get, but their risks are not as many as us. Yeah, so if you are a woman that easily get infection, now for how long are you going to buy medicine? For how long are you going to treat infections, like, you know, buying antibiotics? This month you've bought, and then next month you've still bought, you know, because where you work, or those other toilets where you go, it's basically where you're getting those kind of diseases from. Yeah, so you can just decide to have okra at least every day. That could be in the morning and in the evening. You can search about that as well. Ngoja, now let me tell you what people don't tell you about okra. Oh, I had gotten serious about this okra, and I was taking it every day, morning, evening, because you know, it's not, you're not meant to take it like because you're sick. But me, I was just taking it, you know, because I know it's good for my body. Yeah, it treats a lot of things in the body, like it's naturally good for the body. Yeah, but guys, let me tell you, oh, one thing that I have realized about this okra, that I even stopped taking it. I've actually bought it. I just bought it because I wanted to do a video with you guys. But I would wish to continue with it, but for only one reason. I know this thing increases libido, like it makes you want to have sex. Yeah. I know you guys are like, really? Seriously? Are you for real? If you take it like consistently, actually when you take it, like when it is hot, like from the saucepan, you know how you're taking like hot water. Yes, yeah, if you get it from the saucepan, like it has just boiled, it is that thick, and then you take it, guys, for 1-2 days, you start, like every time, like after taking it, you feel like you want to have sex. So if you are single, or if you are not dating, hey, this will be trouble in your empire. It will be big trouble, because you find yourself calling your ex-boyfriends, calling people that you didn't even think about. You find yourself you know, trying to find a way of how you can calm yourself down. The other thing I can also say is that self-control is really important. Yeah, because if you don't have self-control, man, and you're taking this thing, hey, yeah. So this video is about this so-called okra thing. Me, I personally recommend everyone to take it. You know, I normally see a lot of videos about okra, and then people are talking about women. But let me tell you, this is not only for women. Okay, you know, it has that meaningful benefit on women, but when you are a woman and you're making it at your home, give it to your children. But if you give it to your children and then it has that libido, when they start getting tempted, it increases that. Don't give them a lot of it. But you know, I don't know if it's me, it's only me who realized, because when I stopped taking it, I wasn't feeling anything. I was normal. Yeah. But when I was taking it, yeah, I was feeling like, man, where is your boyfriend? Anyway, guys, this video wasn't so much long. It was just about this so-called okra, and I'm just emphasizing people to take it, but not only for a women, for a woman, but even the men, because when you search about it, it has so much it can do in your body. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're a woman and you want to stay juicy, you want to, you know, keep wet, yeah, it's good for you. But for someone who is if you're taking it and then you're not dating, just make sure that you really have self-control. It will increase I'm calling it libido. It will increase your libido. You feel you want to have sex. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm waiting for the comments in the comment section. Tell me about your experience with okra. Did you feel the same way that you felt? Because I'm talking out of experience, because one, I told a friend, there's a friend of mine, I told she was pregnant, she's pregnant actually. I told her about okra. I told her it's good for this, I mean in regards to the pregnant women. And then she read the whole stuff. She was like, yeah, I need to start taking this thing. So for her, she was like, I won't take it as a drink. I will just cook it. By the way, you can, if you can't take it in this, you can just make sure that you put it in every meal. You can cook it as a sauce, or you can put it in your meat or in your beans or in any kind of sauce. So it's not only about you boiling it. Yeah, it's, if you can't take it like this, but me, I don't like having it in the mix, because you know it's kind of slippery. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm using the correct English. I recommended okra for her, and then, you know, she told me, man, this thing increases libido. Like right now, just after taking it, I just feel I want to have my man. I was like, nigga, are you joking? Yeah, so I'm talking about that because it's something I have experienced. That's why I'm saying, if you are taking it, you know it's important for your body, but if you are taking it and not dating, make sure that you have self-control. Thank you so much, guys. I love you. Flying kisses.